Hi, I'm Shane Balkham, Client Investment Director at US in Management, and welcome to my 2-minute missive. So we didn't get the short conflict that President Trump wanted, but it doesn't mean necessarily we're going to get a drawn-out war with Iran either. And there's been a subtle change from dropping bombs to economic countermeasures with the blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. And that's a better backdrop for negotiations than dropping ordnance on Iran. Now, this slight change of narrative to potential wind down of the conflict has got markets excited. There has been a rally since the end of March. Equities have done particularly well, and the US dollar has weakened. And of those equities, emerging markets has done best. Now, still a lot of uncertainty of what's going to happen around there, but just shows you the importance of staying invested. What is more certain is in 200 days' time, we'll have the US midterm elections. Now, what we've got is seats up for grabs in both the Senate and the House of Representatives. And expectation was for the Democrats to take the House, but not the Senate. That was until the war. Now the expectation is for Democrats to take the Senate as well. It's going to be a little bit more tricky because of the third of the seats that are up for election, majority of those are held by Democrats. But the sentiment and expectation is the Democrats to win both House and the Senate, which will mean a US where Donald has more controls than he currently has. And that means there may be potentially a calmer US backdrop. And I think that's what equities are looking to as well. But as always, appropriate diversification is the solution to these geopolitical led bouts of volatility and equity market stress. And in order to benefit from the diversification, you need to make sure you stay invested and capture those best days in the market. It was true last year, and it's definitely been true so far this year. So stay invested. And if you have any concerns or questions, please reach out to your financial planner. These views are my own. Thank you.